This is the Smith & Wesson SWHRT-9B, full-tang spear-point fixed-blade knife. Draped in covert black, the Smith & Wesson SWHRT-9B is a tactical and self-defense blade forged from high-carbon 7CR17 Movi stainless steel. The 12.1 centimeter blood-grooved black blade is dual-edged, providing bi-directional, razor-sharp cutting power along with a finely tapered spear-point tip. The full-tang design captures the high tensile strength of the blade's steel, carrying it through the full length of the 22.9 centimeter knife and forming the internal core of the ribbed black TPE handle. Top and bottom finger guard extensions distance your hand from the dual-edged blade. A lanyard hole in the handle's base can be used to tether the SWHRT-9B to your wrist for added security during tactical operations. A black leather boot sheath with reinforced stitching and sturdy steel clip provides discreet, ready access. A lightweight, tactical spear point blade, the SWHRT-9B is a quality cutting tool designed for professionals.
CRKT.
The M16-14 SFG designed by Kit Carson has a high-carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The 3.875-inch dual-grind blade has a Tonto tip which is excellent for penetration and exclusive patented VEF serrations which offer exceptional cutting of fibrous materials. The G10 handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. For convenient carry, the knife has a 4-position clip. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment, and the dual hilt acts as a blade guard. The Special Forces G10 models have been specifically designed with features requested by military procurement specialists.
The Morakniv Companion S is the perfect all-round, everyday carry knife. The 2.5mm thick blade is made of Swedish stainless steel, and the tang runs 3/4 of the way up the knife, which means that you are able to work with both power and precision. Attach the sheath with a practical belt clip, so that your companion is always close at hand.
This is the StrongArm Fine Edge fixed blade knife. It features full tang construction with a 420 high carbon fine edge blade for strength and durability. It's coated in black ceramic for low profile use and corrosion resistance. The knife's handle has a rubber overmold engineered with a diamond texture for superior grip in all conditions. The modular sheath has snapped together components that allow you to mount the knife in multiple ways, using MOLLE or vertically or horizontally on a standard tactical belt. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the StrongArm fixed blade knife.
This is the Schrade Needle SCHF44LS fixed blade boot and belt knife. Stealth, dignified, and lethal. The Schrade SCHF44LS Needle is a formidable spear point tactical boot blade, crafted from 7CR17 MOV stainless steel. Polished to a razor-sharp edge, the narrow blade is 60% fine edge and 40% serrated on both sides, with a blood groove running down the middle of the non-reflective black-coated steel. Designed for survival, combat, tactical, and self-defense situations, the needle gives you double the cutting edge of a standard knife. Plus, you get the added power of 2 serrated edges that are designed to tear quickly through difficult materials, long after most other edges are dangerously dull. The contoured TPE handle absorbs shot, is comfortable to hold in any position, and has a form guard toward the blade to keep your hand planted where it should be. A bottom lanyard hole accepts common nylon and paracord for added security. When not in use, safely store the needle in its black leather sheath with handle strap. Release the needle into action with the flick of your thumb. The rear spring steel clip allows the knife to be covertly carried behind the back, on your belt, or for deep concealment, on a boot. Designed for use in places humans fear to tread. Crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade Needle SCHF44LS Spearpoint double-edged boot knife.